Hey Wanderers! Today we discovered a hidden gem along the Tagaytay Alfonso Bypass Road. Isang very cutesy cafe na may katabing relaxing staycation house. Excited na ako i-explore ito, kaya tara, saan tayo today? Welcome to Chai Cafe. This charming spot is located at Purok 212, Barangay Zambal, Tagaytay City. At open sila daily from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Ang cozy ng vibes, perfect pang chill at pang catch up with friends. Ito nga pala yung makikita sa labas ng cafe, may small table at may chairs. At pagpasok dito sa may gate, makikita nyo na yung kanilang malawak na parking space at itong kanilang super cutesy na tambayan. O diba? Ang ganda! Homey vibes yung atake, yung ang lamig-lamig, tapos ang sarap humigop ng mainit na kape habang nagkukwentuhan kayo dito. Huy! And here's what they have on their menu. For snacks, meron silang cheeseburger, hotdog sandwich, beef quesadilla, ziti pasta, and more. Range yung snacks from 70 pesos to 170 pesos only. Sa drinks naman, meron silang coffee and non-coffee based drinks. Meron ding tea selection at halo-halo. Yung range naman ng drinks nila is from 80 to 180 pesos. Super sulit at affordable ang food and drinks nila. Plus may wide parking space and wifi pa. Kaya perfect spot talaga for work, study, or just relaxing. At para tuloy-tuloy lang ang chill, katabi lang ng cafe ang Concrete Escape Tagaytay. Isang modern and stylish cabin na may 4 queen-size beds, gazebo, kitchen na complete cookware and tableware, dining table, 2 bathrooms with shower heaters, and refreshing 3 feet to 5 feet swimming pool. And for more info, you can directly message their Facebook page at Concrete Escape Tagaytay. So again, kung mahilig ka sa chill cafe spots with good food and homey vibe, Chai Cafe is a must visit. Add this to your next Tagaytay food trip. Kung may food spots, cafes, or restos na gusto mong ipa-feature, comment below and don't forget to like, share, and follow para sa more food and travel discoveries. See you here, Wanderers!